Now that we have our printed fabric swatches downloaded to our computer and then uploaded into Prequilt, we can now use them for the fun part, which is visualizing printed fabric swatches in your quilts. So we can see here on the fabric dashboard, we have all the fabric swatches that we've imported into Prequilt here. And I want to go back to the quilts so that we can add those fabrics into our quilt with the sawtooth star. So I open the quilt and we can see here we're back to the start where we have these solid black sawtooth stars, and I'm going to want to open up the fabric links tab, and this is where we're going to edit the fabric link to use a printed fabric swatch instead. So when I open up the edit panel, instead of using a solid, I'm going to click on that prints tab, and then it's going to showcase all the different printed fabric swatches that I've already imported into Prequilt. Now, you can go through all the pages, but the one that I'd like to use is this Painterly Petals one that we added before. I love this fabric. So just say you had a particular part of the fabric swatch that you wanted to emphasize in this block, you can use the move top, move left values to nudge the swatch over pixel by pixel, either to the left or top and bottom. If you hold onto the shift key and push the arrow buttons up or down, you can also move that swatch by 10 pixels at a time. But I'm going to go back to the default and just put 00 in. And I really love how this fabric is showing up inside the sawtooth star. So now you can see that fabric link B is now using the Painterly Petals. And I also want to use a printed fabric for the background fabric, which is fabric link A. So I can go back to the prints tab and select this really tone on tone or white on white fabric, more like beige on beige, and import that into fabric link A.